Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Shopify store fully compliant with GDPR, CCPA, and Google Consent Mode v2 in just a few minutes using an app called Consentmo. This is one of those tools that most people only think about when something goes wrong, like broken ad tracking or a cookie banner that scares customers away, but it's way easier to set it up the right way from the start. If you're running ads on Google, Meta, or TikTok, pay close attention, because if your store isn't compliant, your ad data is already inaccurate, and your ROAS is lying to you. That means you're wasting money. And beyond just ads, if your cookie consent banner looks unprofessional, you could be losing sales before customers even see your products. So let's break this down step by step. And if you want to try it out while watching, click the link in my description to install Consentmo and get started for free today. Consentmo is the all-in-one compliance app built for Shopify that puts privacy on autopilot. It manages cookie banners, Google Consent Mode, GDPR, CCPA, and even customer data requests in one place. Without it, merchants risk losing data and wasting ad spend because of rules like Google Consent Mode v2, GDPR in Europe, or CCPA in California. If you don't keep up, your analytics break, ads get blocked, or you face fines. Consentmo fixes this with one setup. It's Google CMP certified and integrates with Google, Meta, TikTok, and Microsoft to capture accurate conversion data, so your ROAS reports finally reflect reality. The second benefit is automated compliance. Consentmo shows the right banner based on location, GDPR in Europe, CCPA in California, all geo-targeted and automatic. Unlike generic apps, the banner matches your store's theme, looks professional, and builds trust instead of driving visitors away. The third benefit is simplicity. Install the app, follow the guided setup, and activate it. No code or developers needed. You can be live in minutes. And it's more than banners. Consentmo also creates policy pages, handles data requests, and logs consent, replacing multiple apps with one complete compliance suite. Once you install the app, you'll need to pick a plan. As I said before, you can get started for free, but I recommend at least trying the Plus plan, which is the most widely used plan. Then you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, you can go through the guided onboarding, customize your cookie banner design, and enable Google Consent Mode v2 with one click. Consentmo handles all the technical bits behind the scenes, so you don't need to touch any code. You can also add your privacy and cookie policy pages. And Consentmo provides professional templates that update automatically to stay compliant. And that's it. Within a few minutes, your store is protected, your analytics are fixed, and you can focus on sales instead of legal checklists. The first step in onboarding is enabling the cookie banner, which can be done by clicking Activate Banner and then saving the settings. After that, you can customize and design your cookie banner by, for example, choosing your preferred colors or choosing your theme colors. You can also customize the text shown. Next, you'll need to go through the compliance checklist for the areas you selected before. For example, GDPR for the European markets or CCPA for the US. Lastly, you can go through the other tabs, which include cookie management, analytics, and integrations. As you can see, Consentmo has integrations with all ad tools you might need and even more. Let me give you a quick example of why this matters. Imagine you're running a $1,000 ad campaign on Google. Without Consentmo, if half your conversions aren't tracked properly because customers didn't give consent, your ROAS might look like a 1 when in reality it's a 2. That means you'll turn off ads that were actually working and you lose sales. Or imagine a customer in Germany lands on your store and doesn't see a compliant GDPR banner. They could instantly leave, or worse, report your store. Consentmo protects you from both situations. So to recap, Consentmo integrates with Google, Meta, TikTok, and more to fix your ad tracking. It automates your compliance with GDPR, CCPA, and other laws using smart geo-targeted banners. It makes your store look professional and trustworthy with a native design. It's built for Shopify with a 3-step no-code setup that takes minutes. And it's more than just banners. It's a complete privacy compliance suite. If you're running ads or selling internationally, this is one of the most important apps you can install. So don't wait until you lose data or run into compliance issues. Click the link in my description to try Consentmo for free and protect your store today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.